So you've put a few hundred miles on your new Suzuki and it's time for that first oil change. Which oil should you go with? Well, let's sit back and take a look at the offerings from Ecstar, which are specifically formulated for your machine, and pick out one that may best fit your riding style and the way you're using your machine. Now there are 3 different types of oil available from Ecstar for your engine. You have a mineral-based, a semi-synthetic, and a full synthetic. The mineral-based oil, as the name suggests, it is completely derived from the oil that they pump out of the ground. It has a few additives as well, but 70% of it is that mineral-based oil. You're going to find this in most of your utility and lower performance machines. Utility ATVs, small dirt bikes, small crossover machines, things of that nature. The semi-synthetic, that is the one that I run in just about all of my machines, except for the ones I put on a racetrack. If you are heading to the track and you want maximum protection, that's when you head over to the full synthetic. That stuff is designed for machines that are running wide open throttle in the hottest of temperatures, for the better part of the afternoon. So that's the one you want to go to if you're in that condition. Now that doesn't mean that you can't run the synthetic in all the machines, but it's a little bit wasted on your kid's 80cc ATV, let's be honest. Now once you've decided which blend you want to go with, the only other thing you have to do is determine what weight. Now this is the easy part. All you need to do is look in the owner's manual for your machine, and it's going to have a chart in there that's going to show you the different temperature ranges and the different oil weights and where they line up. Now there's going to be a little bit of overlap, so it doesn't have to be an exact size. Now let's say that you've lost your owner's manual and you need to order oil today. It is a safe bet that you can go with a 10W40. That's going to put you right in the middle. That being said, if you're at one extreme or the other, where it's really hot or really cold, you really need to adjust your oil one direction or the other. Now once you've determined your blend and your viscosity, all you need to do then is go check out the kits, see which one lines up for your machine. Now before I let you go, there's a couple of more oils that I want to mention. If you have a shaft driven machine or one with a differential in the front or back or both, that is the oil that you're going to need. The last one, if you're out on a motocross track, this is the oil that has been formulated for your 4-stroke Suzuki. So you would definitely want to take a look at it. Now, can the other synthetic oil handle it? Yes, but this has been specifically formulated to be run on the Suzuki motocross higher performance machines. All right, guys, there you go. Just a quick overview of the Ecstar lineup. Still can't decide which one to go with? Give us a call or send us a chat, and we can guide you to the best one that's going to get you back on the road, track, or trail. Y'all have a great day.